Hey, are you interested in what is Cloud SQL? Well, this GCP service is a game changer in how we work with relational DBs. Join us as we dive deep into its capabilities and how it can be a part of your digital strategy. Google Cloud SQL is a fully managed database service that allows you to set up, maintain, manage, and administer your relational databases on Google Cloud. It supports operations requiring online transaction processing and adheres to ACID properties to ensure reliable transaction processing. This makes it ideal for running e-commerce systems, CRM applications, and legacy applications that rely on complex transactional processes. Cloud SQL's fully managed nature means businesses can focus on their application logic and performance without the overhead of managing physical hardware or database software. Do you know that questions about GCP Cloud SQL are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. Cloud SQL supports 3 major relational database systems: MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. This support covers various versions of these databases, providing users with flexibility and choice according to their operational needs and compatibility requirements. Users of Cloud SQL can configure various aspects of their database instances to suit specific needs. Machine types can be configured to offer the desired balance of CPU and memory optimized for different workloads. Storage types offers high-performance SSD and standard HDD storage options. Storage capacity supports automatic storage increase, with a maximum limit depending on the database engine chosen. Cloud SQL provides automatic backup solutions and point-in-time recovery. These backups are configurable and ensure data durability and protection against data loss. Recovery processes are straightforward, allowing for quick restoration times in case of data loss. The high availability configuration in Cloud SQL involves a primary instance and a standby instance located in a different zone within the same region. This setup ensures continuous service operation by automatically switching to the standby in case the primary fails, thus minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. For even greater reliability, Cloud SQL also offers regional failover. This means that in the event of a regional outage, the database service can failover to another region to keep critical systems online and accessible. Cloud SQL supports the creation of RED replicas to handle read-heavy workloads. This setup allows the primary instance to handle write operations while offloading queries to one or more replicas. This architecture significantly enhances performance, especially for applications that need to serve high volumes of RED requests concurrently. Moreover, RED replicas can be located in different regions, which not only helps in load distribution, but also in providing localized data access for users in different geographical locations, thus reducing latency and improving user experience. Google offers several tools and services to facilitate the migration of on-premise databases to Cloud SQL. Database migration service for secure and easy migration. Manual dump and restore means you can use standard tools like MySQL dump or PGR dump, followed by data restore. Data protection in Cloud SQL is ensured through multiple layers. By default, Cloud SQL encrypts data at rest, but you have no limit to use encryption in transit. IAM supports configuring who has access to your Cloud SQL instances. Private connectivity helps to use private IP and Google's Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, for secure connections. Pricing in Cloud SQL is based on the resources used, such as per vCPU and GB of memory per hour, storage capacity and type, and network usage. Prices vary significantly depending on the chosen configuration and region. Google offers a pricing calculator to help estimate costs more effectively. Cloud SQL is a versatile choice for businesses looking to migrate their relational databases to the cloud, scale their operations, or enhance their application's reliability and security. It supports a wide range of configurations and services designed to meet diverse needs, from startups to large enterprises. Whether it's reducing overhead, improving performance, or ensuring data security, Cloud SQL offers a compelling service for managing relational databases in a cloud environment. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.